Hello, welcome. Today's video is an unboxing and first impression of this beautiful fragrance from the niche house MORESQUE Parfum. And this is called Contessa. And we're gonna open it together and I'm going to show you how it looks like. And I'm also gonna be talking to you a little bit about it, and we are going to smell it for the first time. And here in the United States, people is like celebrating Halloween, so that's why you see me with these devilish things. So let's go ahead and open this because I don't want to make this video too long. I always say that. And then we're gonna smell it for the first time. The presentation of this bottle is very striking. The color, very artistic. It's so nice. I really like it. It's not just nice, it's beautiful to my eyes. This is a blind buy, and I never smelled anything from this brand before. I ordered it because I received an email from Max Aroma, is where I bought it, and they were promoting this brand. And I went into their website and I was looking at all the fragrance information, description, and notes, and this was the one that caught my attention because of the notes, and it seems like a good fragrance for fall and winter. So we're gonna smell it and see how it smells. Look at this. It comes with this little information booklet. Let me see what it says here. I didn't read it when I was doing the unboxing. It only says that this fragrance Contessa is part of the art collection. Oh, that's why it's very artistic. I really like the color. This product is completely handmade according to the techniques handed down by several generations of Tuscany glass makers. Therefore, little imperfections don't reflect defect but signs of uniqueness. Okay, so this bottle is supposed to be hand painted, I think. It's really, really gorgeous, beautiful, very elegant. It has these 4 crystals in the middle. 4 crystals. And the cap is kind of marble. It's kind of a burgundy color. And the color of the paint here is red, like very, very red, and gold. Let's see the cap. The cap is very heavy and metallic. It's heavy. It feels good to the touch. It's very heavy. And it says it lasts 36 months after opening. 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces. But let me tell you, it's very small. This is my hand. I don't know if you can appreciate the size, but it's very, very small, very small. And the good thing about small bottles is that you can bring it with you if you travel, but this is a little heavy. But you can bring it in your bag, because when you travel by plane, I think if it's less than 3 ounces, you can take it with you in your bag, in your personal bag or in your carry-on, because it's only 1.7 ounces. And this is a really beautiful bottle. I like it. Ooh, I'm gonna break it. So let's smell it and see how it smells so I can give you my first impression. I'm gonna try it on my skin, because I think on the skin is better than on paper. It's very spicy. I really like the first burst. I really like its opening. Wow, it's very spicy. I think it's perfect for the upcoming season. I feel the nutmeg and all the spices at the beginning, and also the flowers. Mmm, this is a beautiful fragrance. To me, it smells spicy, it smells sweet, and it's very well combined to my nose. I also smell a little bit of almond, like a nutty smell. I don't know if he has, if, oh yeah, it's the tonka bean. Yes, I definitely can smell something like, yeah, very nutty. And I'm sure almondy, yeah. The tonka bean smells a little bit almondy, that's why. To me, it smells a little bit almondy and spicy. And I can smell the flowers, but the flowers are not that prominent to my nose. To my nose is more the spiciness, like I mentioned before, and the nuttiness. But it's not something that smells like I wanna eat it, or that makes me crave dessert. No, I don't know how strong it will be. I don't know if later it will give me. I don't know if later I will feel intoxicated because I'm spraying it a lot, but I really want to know how it dries down. I will, if you have questions about how this fragrance lasts and how it dries down, leave me a comment under the comment section and I will try to answer it. For now, the first impression is positive. I really like this fragrance. It's something new to me. And that's it for this video. This was the first impression and unboxing of Moresque Contessa. I'm really in love with this artistic bottle. Oh my God, the fragrance is beautiful. I won't say it's sexy because I don't think this is a sexy fragrance, but it will make you smell different and uh, elegant and spicy. I will see you on my next video. Bye. Look at this beauty.